Ever feel like throwing your iPhone across the room when the screen freezes and you can't restart it? Well, you don't have to today. We're diving into how to restart your unresponsive iPhone, even with a broken or frozen touchscreen. Let's start with the most common method: quickly press and release the volume up button, immediately followed by quickly pressing and releasing the volume down button. Now, quickly press and hold the side button, also known as the power button, until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo, release the side button. This process forces a restart. Let your iPhone boot up, and hopefully, your screen will respond as expected. If the first method doesn't work on modern iPhones, there's another option. The basic principle is the same and requires the order of the volume and side buttons to be implemented. Try once more. Quickly press and release the volume up button, followed by quickly pressing and releasing the volume down button. After executing those two steps, press and hold the side button until your iPhone restarts. This method will help to reboot your phone, even with a screen that won't cooperate. If these methods fail, consider connecting your iPhone to a computer and implementing a factory reset through iTunes or Finder, depending on your computer type. Hopefully, one of these simple methods will bring your iPhone back to life. Remember to restart your phone occasionally for optimal performance.